30W Panel Foldable HKYH Solar Panel Lighting Kit, Solar Home DC System Kit, USB Solar Charger with 4 LED light bulb, American Samoa Emergency Light and 5 Mobile Phone Charger / 5V2A output. Can charge. Power bank specifications: solar panel, polycrystalline 11V30W battery, lithium battery, 74V14AH light source, 2x2W LED 2x3W LED package includes 1 solar system with panel, 4 PCS LEDs, 3 PCS 1M Android phone charging cable, 1 for iPhone 4 plug, 1 for iPhone 6 plug, 8 PCS tapping screw 4*40, plastic anchor 8 PCS 16 PCS. Stainless steel screw with plate 3M*15 16 PCS. Hexagon stainless steel nuts M3 4 PCS. H-shape conjunction parts 4 PCS. Support shelves 1 PC. Galvanized spanner. The solar panel Chagre, the red indicator light, will turn on when connect to solar panel where a input power from load. The indicator light will turn on once any of the 5 outlets has been connected to load and there is a power output. Battery voltage: 1. Yellow area, low level of power stored in battery, the protection of over discharge function initiates. 2. Green area, medium level of power, this area shows the battery works in normal condition. 3. 10V, full power, the protection of overcharge function initiates. Power, the switch for the whole system. 1. Turn on this switch, all outlets are ready to export power. The battery voltage needle points to green area and shows how much power is stored in the battery. 2. Turn off this switch, all outlets stop to export power. The battery voltage needle points to 0. In charge, connect to solar panel to charge the battery. The solar panel will charge the battery no matter the switch is being turned on or off. When the panel connected to in charge with switch turned on, the charge indicator will be lit up and the battery voltage shows how much power the battery stores. The system can be charged and export power at the same time. Note: except solar panel, this system can be charged by AC or DC power. Recommend to use transformer, AC, 100V to 40V with a power output DC, 9V. 2. A new design emergency power supply. Keep your ordinary electricity need in the hurricane, snowstorm time. Combine the charging and lighting with anti-reflective and high transparency. This is a completely independent off-grid power system. Full accessory easy install. Power includes 110V30W flexible solar panel, 1 solar DC system, 2x2W LED 2x3W LED 2 for iPhone 4A and D8 adapter, 3 cord, meet whole ordinary electricity need, no any added cost. Genuine energy conservation and environmental protection. Waterproof multi-purpose solar flexed panel can be mounted on a curved roof, RV, travel trailer, van, truck, boat, cabin, tent, or any other irregular surface. High waterproof grade. Never worry about rainy, hurricane, snowstorm outdoor using. Fast charge ports and bright bulbs. The 5V2A output is a universal charge port, can quickly charge your cell phone, digital devices, power bank, fan, etc. The multiple outlets enable several LED bulbs working at the same time. Powerful lightweight solar kit. Full kit, only 9.9 pounds. Easy installation. Working time, 2x2W bulbs 13 to 14 hours, 2x3W bulbs 10. For more info and special discounts please click the link below.